Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to freeze Enterprise in BitGo account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now, at the address bar, type in bitgo.com and click on Enter. Make sure that you are logged into your account. After that, at the top right corner of the screen, you will see a profile icon. Click on it and you will see Enterprise Settings option. Click on that option and you will see Freeze Enterprise option here. Click on this button. If you select this option, the enterprise remains frozen until you contact customer support of BitGo, and you will need to complete video ID verification to unfreeze it. Or if you select this option, your enterprise automatically unfreeze after the specified time here. You can specify the number of time from here. After that, you need to type in your two-factor authentication code, which is generated in your authenticator application. Now click on Freeze Enterprise button. So that is how you can freeze Enterprise in BitGo account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.